how to maintain mental stability while facing an exam. This is a crucial thing. If you are a student who have studied really well, or if you have tried studying, yes, you are facing this problem now. Am I good enough? That question is always inside your head. So this is actually how to balance it, how to maintain your mental stability. Right. So check these things. Everything is data. So if you have done past papers to 2000 to 2023, so gather your marks. That means for MCQs, total marks you can get out of 50. What are your marks? Right. If you can get more than 35 out of 50, you are good to go. Right. And then essay questions. So you should have at least 4 essay questions you have practiced. Better if you have 5 essay questions. Anyways, easy. Alright. Just check, have you done those 4 questions from 2000 to 2023? If you haven't done, you have to do it. Gather your marks. Just check what is the average mark you can get. So if, say for an essay questions you are getting 15, so if you can get more than 11, 12, 13, 14, that's great. If you can get at least 12, you are good to go. So remember that. Just put all those data in a table. So if you can do that, then you know, okay, I have done everything. Structured, same procedure. Right, then theory. Right, how do you know whether you know your theories? That's a good. Check whether you can write almost all the equations that comes in our syllabus. Almost. Right. If you can write them, that means you know lots of equations, you know theories. And then can you draw the diagrams? In our syllabus we have lots of diagrams. So can you draw them? If you can draw the diagrams, again you are good. Diagrams as in from vernier caliper to optics, we have compound micros. So let's say, can you draw the ray diagrams? And when we go to magnetic field, can you draw an AC dynamo, AC motor? And when you are moving to electronics, can you draw half wave regulator, full wave regulator? Likewise. So if you can draw them, that means you are fine. Alright. And the last one, model papers. For model MCQ paper, if you are able to get more than 35, again you are fine. So what you can do is, at least you have to do 20 model papers. You must have done more than 20 papers in model papers. So just gather your marks and put them into a table. See your average. At least you can see that you are getting more than 30. You are good to go. So if all these things are right, that means you have done everything you can do for the exam. If we have done everything for something, then there's nothing else we can do about it, right? Just keep up your mind. Just keep this in your mind that I have done everything that I can do. So if you have done everything I can do, there's nothing else you can do about it, right? So you can made up your mind. I have done everything. So just I'm facing the exam. So hit man up. Let's face the exam. You are good to go.